In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust Lemwarm intensity. So first, log into your Lemwarm dashboard. Then in the left panel, look for intensity or warm up settings panel. Then click on it. So basically, this is where your email warm up settings are managed. So here you'll see these buttons, add or subtract. And here you can basically control how many emails does Lemworm sends and receives daily on your behalf. So here, lower intensity is safer for new domains, while higher intensity speeds up warm up for established inboxes. What's important is if your email is new, make sure to start slow. Increasing intensity too fast can hurt deliverability instead of improving it. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!